Supreme Court's decision paves the way for deportations of migrants with no ties to destination. In a landmark 7-2 ruling this Thursday, the Supreme Court decided that the Trump administration is not required to keep 8 non-citizens confined at a U.S. military facility in Djibouti as their legal status is being debated. This pivotal decision effectively clears the path for their deportation to South Sudan, a nation these men have no connections to. The 8 immigrants, each convicted of serious crimes, had been issued removal orders from the U.S. to the East African country. However, the situation stalled when U.S. District Judge Brian Murphy halted their deportation, insisting that they be allowed a fair opportunity to challenge their removal. It's important to note, this ruling was closely watched because it questions how deportations will be handled in situations involving third countries where migrants have no ties. Last week, the Supreme Court unexpectedly removed Judge Murphy's injunction, allowing the deportation of migrants to third-party nations without meeting additional legal standards originally set by Judge Murphy. This move by the Supreme Court represents a significant victory for the Trump administration and its efforts to deport immigrants to countries where they have no prior connections and could potentially face harm. Interestingly, the ruling highlights a possible double standard. Others must comply with the rules, but the administration seems to have special access to the Supreme Court, noted Justice Sotomayor. This provocative observation raises questions. Should the administration's expedited access to the highest judicial authority be seen as a power to be questioned by lower courts? So, what do you think? Should the Trump administration have a rapid route to the Supreme Court for such critical matters? Or should every migrant's case receive equal legal scrutiny and fairness? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.